Hey guys, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by. So, not too long ago, there was a HSN craft day. And as I've said before, I'm trying to be very thoughtful in what I purchase, since I've got so much stuff that I haven't used, because we as crafters are mainly collectors. We all agree to that. So the last craft day, I only bought one thing, and that was Diamond Press, the rock and roll set. And you know, I have I think they had another, I'm pretty sure it's Diamond Press. I have a rock and roll set, and it has a jukebox and an old-time TV. And then I've got, I think I've got something from Altenew that goes with it well. But I vacillated over this, and I couldn't resist. And I will show you, if I cut this right, why. If you haven't seen this, here we go. You know, I was born in the 50s. Let me at least be honest with that, though I don't feel it. But I do have nostalgia, even though I have no recollection since I was little of the 50s. My sister was 9 years older than me, so what I know of the 50s came from her. So let's take a look at this, because there were some pieces in it that I just fell in love with. And it comes with stencils. And you know what a fool I am for stencils. So look at how cute. All right, here we go. Let's pull this all out. Maybe. It's always so challenging. All right, so here's our folder. All right, there we go. Whoops. All right, so let me show you. It has these little tiny stencils, but look, it has a Cadillac, it has a jukebox, it has a sundae, it has a guitar, it has a neon sign. And look, it has a car hop. A car hop. I'm so excited. And then it has a little dancer with a poodle skirt. And I have one of those because I used to work part-time for Scrapbook Expo, if anybody knows what that is. And they used to have themes, and I was hostess for the crops, and one of the times we had a 50s theme, and I have a black poodle skirt that looks just like that. So there you go, there's a little bit of me. And look at the TV and the records. Look at this, look at the sock of the car hop, and then the Cadillac. Isn't that too cute? So let's take a look at the stamps. So here's the car, there's the TV, there's the jukebox, there's the neon sign, the guitar, the arrow, the sundae, and the little symbols. So there's the car hop, the girl in the poodle skirt, it says stay classy, let's rock and roll. There's the Cadillac. This says you're a classic. This one says you're a goodie, maybe. And then the guitar, you're the sweetest. And then musical notes. All right, and then this one's got the TV. It says you're a classic. There's the Sunday. Thank you. There's a jukebox, a record. I think you're the bee's knees. I'm thinking that's a 40s saying, but I don't know. That was before my time. And the TV. So is that not too cute? And then the little tiny stencils. Let's see if we can open them. All right, so there's like a little, I don't know, puzzle board, maybe. The little symbols or little starlights. A little checkerboard. And then this little decoration. So how cute is that? So last time on Craft, if you recall, I got the taco truck, which is just so cute. Talk about it. Let's talk about it. And so rock and roll. So see, I'm trying to get things that are unique to what I already have, you know. So that is all I got on Craft Day. However, I did get the auto ship of the Crafter's Companion magazine. Now, if you recall, when I got the first one, I said I was not pleased with the changes that they made, and I was not alone. There's so many people who were not happy with the way the changes were. And so the interesting thing is, I was on vacation, or I would have said no to this had I seen it coming up. But by the time I saw it, it had already was in packaging and ready to ship. But that's it. There's the auto ship says it's finished, and when I went looking on Facebook, everybody's, or just about everybody's, is finished, but nobody, at least that I read, knows why. That they canceled the rest of the auto ships. So I don't know, but if you really want it, you can get it on Crafter's Companion's website, and it's a lot cheaper, especially if you're a platinum member. So, but you know, it's like, I don't know. It's the Bohemian collection, which I think is interesting because I think she just came out with an Bohemian collection. So there's a embossing folder, some dies, and then a stamp set. And I really like this. This is really cute. I'm not sure how this ties in with Bohemian. I don't know. But I'm not going to waste everybody's time going through everything. You know, you got my opinion last time around. We can flip through some of the papers. I mean, some of them are okay. They're double-sided. They're not very thick, but they're good for, you know, card topper. they're a little busy. But the other side isn't so busy. So anyway, so if you know what happened, just for curiosity's sake, like I said, that's, I'm fine that it got canceled, but if you know why it got canceled, just for curiosity, just let me know in comments. I am interested to see why. Yeah, it's all good. This is cute. I might try to make that. Hopefully the instructions, it says step-by-step guide, so fingers crossed it's in there. So that's it. So let me know what you picked up on craft day. Let me know if you got the 50s rock and roll set or not. And if not, let me know what else you got. There seemed like there was a lot of old stuff, not just from Crafter's Companion, but it seemed like there was some, I think, auto ships that didn't sell out for several companies, and then they released them because it seemed like there was a lot that looked familiar to me. So anyway, so that's it. There's no craft day in June, so that should save everybody money, because probably in July, it'll be Christmas in July, and then everybody will want a bunch of Christmas stuff. And I am gonna hold back as usual because I still have so much Christmas stuff, and I think I might be signing up for Pink Fresh is having a Christmas card event. I might sign up for that to see what that's like. I love their other card events, so we shall see. All right, so that's it. So if you already subscribed, thank you so much. If you've been thinking about it, it's easy. You just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and it will send you notifications when there's a new video to be watched. If you like the video, any of the videos, anytime, please hit the like button. It means a lot, and it helps us little channels immensely. And you can share videos. If you find something that you like and you want to share it with a friend, there's a share button there too. So don't forget that. All right, so that's it for this time. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.